I tried posting content on Instagram every single day for a month, and it was the worst advice I've gotten. You hear it all the time. Post daily, be consistent. Consistency is everything, and it works for people who have a team and people who have unlimited time. But you want to know what really happens? You post every day for a week, for 2 weeks, and then you burn out and you stop posting for a very long time, which is exactly what I did. If you have a job, a family, or literally anything else going on, you need to avoid this strategy like the plague. You quit, you literally quit. I did it. I literally did it for a full month. I was posting twice a day. I was doing Yap content on Instagram, providing value, and it wasn't even edited. I just took out my phone and I filmed talking to the camera, and even that burns me out. And it was cool while I was doing it, and I felt like I was gaining some traction, but every video I posted, I realized I wasn't filling my creativity bucket, and it was just soul sucking. And honestly, that's what led me to changing my goal. My new goal wasn't to post every single day, it was to post more quality content that I was actually proud of. And by changing my strategy, I can now post more consistently over a long period of time. And that's how I intend to grow my social channels. And I do realize this gives me less chances to go viral and less chances to beat the algorithm. And I'm okay with that. I'm okay with building an audience that genuinely wants to be here. So my new goal with content is to actually provide value and not just pump out a ton of content. And I realized when I was creating that Yap content, it was because it was easy for me and it was content that I wanted to nurture leads for to make money. I'll just say it, plain and simple. But I realized in doing that, the content didn't feel genuine to me. So I was attracting leads that I wasn't even interested in servicing anyway. And as a creative, I want to build my personal brand as I initially intended to do. And I want to make sure that this thing doesn't get in the way of family time. I want to spend time with my family, but also create content. So if you're in the same boat as me, this is what I would try instead. So the first thing is pick a schedule that works for you. If you want to do 1 video a week, 2 a week, if you want to do 1 video a month, once a quarter to get started, do something that's sustainable, because 1 video every week is a lot better than 4 videos in 4 weeks and then stopping. I strongly recommend reducing as many friction points as possible when it comes to creating content, which is why having a script that you can stick to in your videos is so important. Because if you just sit down thinking you're gonna film, you stare at the camera, you don't know what to say next, you're gonna burn out and it's not gonna be fun and you're gonna quit. And remember, the goal here is longevity, because posting for 2 weeks straight and then quitting is a lot worse than posting once a month for an entire year and continuing on from there. So no matter what some online guru tells you, this isn't about speed. It's about longevity and staying in the game long enough so that you can win. If you found this at all helpful, consider subscribing, because I'm trying to make more consistent content for other creators building their personal brand too. Take it easy.